Well, Whelen has a product out for a number of years, but we haven't taken it apart yet. I'm going to let Chris show it to you right now.
Well, thank you, Stuart. I have here Whelen's Slim Miser LED dash light for interior use. I'm going to give you a look at how the installation kit assembles onto the Slim Miser shroud here. We have a series of screws, washers, and ear brackets, a set of 3 suction cups, and a main mounting bracket. Go ahead and open the hardware bag here. Have a little ear tab here. The ear tab itself will mount onto the shroud like so. You can see it's contoured to the shroud itself and then has an outside portion that you can see here where you'll have a screw that'll thread in. Go ahead, mount the ear tab here. Same with the other side. Cinch those down nice and tight into the shroud. Take the top mounting portion here. And you can put this on a few different ways depending on how your windshield sits. You can mount it onto the unit this way or onto the unit this way here. Basically it depends if you want your 3rd suction cup to be on the bottom or if you want it to be on the top. Bracket here goes into the ears. Go ahead, take a screw with a lock washer, as well as a retaining washer. Slide it into the tab here. Same with the other side. And thread it into the tab here. You can see that it can be positioned. Again, the 3rd suction cup will point down, so it'll be positioned on the shroud like this. Before I tighten my screws, I'm going to go ahead, slide my suction cups onto the bracket here. It's just a matter of giving them a little bit of a wiggle and push, and they'll slide right into the tab there. See, with the suction cups now on the bracket, I'll go ahead, tighten down the 2 side screws. And there you have it, Whelen's Slim Miser LED dash light and how the mounting bracket assembles, it fixes to the shroud, and suction cups mount onto it. I'll go ahead, turn it on for you here as well, so you can see how nice and bright these interior dash lights really are. And on the back of the unit, there's a red push button. Every time you give that a tap, it'll change the flash pattern that the Slim Miser flashes in. And there you have it. Whelen Slim Miser, fading out, Thanks for joining me on SIRENNET Television. Back to you, Stuart.
Well, thanks, Chris. Really appreciate that. And thanks to you for watching SireNet Television.